What's up, YouTube? So today, we're gonna be doing a zero gapping video on the Oster fast feeds, and we're gonna switch out the original cutting blade with the ceramic, with the Andis ceramic cutting blade. All right. Now I already did this before, but sadly I dropped my clippers and it hit the ground head first, and it it broke like all the teeth on this side and like 3 over here. So I had to go ahead and buy a new one. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, and by the way, with the original blade it comes with, at least without modifying anything else, that's as close to zero gap as I could get it. That's as close to zero gap as I could get it with these. I don't know why it doesn't let me, I guess. I don't know, but the only way I could zero gap them were with the ceramic blade. Hold on. Let me get a different screw. Okay, so with that being said, grab a smaller head screwdriver. Alright, so this is the cutting blade we're not gonna use. We're gonna still reuse this though. Okay, so as you can see, this is the ceramic blade. This is the original it came with. Let's compare these two. So as you can see, the ceramic blade from Andis is a little bit longer, probably by half a centimeter maybe. But it is longer. So that's why you can zero gap them with the ceramic blade. Alright. Now if you haven't done so already, go ahead and clean your clippers off real quick. Now when you do this, if you have an Oster fast feed, there's this plastic bar that is on here. Let me take it off real quick to show you guys. This plastic bar right here is super important. All right, and it goes right here. Do not lose this. Just brush away all the hairs very lightly. Okay. You're gonna place this little square notch right on this square. Just like that. Now, when you put it in there, the blade should not be touching this metal guard on here. Shouldn't be touching this, okay? So once you put that on there, we're gonna put this on top of it. Right. And we're gonna put it one screw in at a time. Don't over tighten the screws, because you are gonna leave them tight enough to where you can still move the steel blade. Okay. All right. So if you see here, pretty much already zero gapped. Probably a little too much. All right. Okay. And then just quarter turns at a time, so you don't move the steel blade. Check it out one more time. All right, and these are zero gapped. There you go. And that's how you zero gap and replace the blade on the Oster fast feeds. Now these are the same as the maroon colored ones. Mine are just limited edition. All right. And always keep this on there if you're not using it. Okay. It'll keep you from having headaches and having to order new blades on 2-day shipping through Amazon. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a description below on where you can find the Andis ceramic blade on Amazon, where I got it from. And if you have any other questions, any comments, please go ahead and leave that in the comment section below. Peace.